I will show you how to copy some text to your clipboard in React Native's new architecture with turbo modules. So I have created a default React Native project, and we need to enable the new architecture for it. So you can go to Android, search for new arc enabled. So I will just search for new arc enabled, go to gradle.properties and enable, make this as true. Next, for iOS, cd to your iOS directory and run this command. So you might face two issues. So first one is this issue. For to resolve this, cd back to your React Native project and run this. Then again cd back to your iOS directory and try running this. If you still face an issue, then it could be related to this, and I already have a video on my channel explaining in detail about this. But you can try running something like this, or you might want to check other answers as well, which will help you to resolve the issue. Once this command runs successfully, just run yarn iOS or yarn Android, and it will in the metro bundler you should see fabric : true, which means new architecture has been enabled for your React Native project. Next, go to turbo native modules. So here they say to create a folder, but it is outside React Native project, which according to me is wrong. You should create it inside your React Native project. So here you can see I have created a folder called rtn copy to clipboard. Again, this is inside my React Native project, and I have created 3 folders: Android, iOS and JS. And inside JS you have to create this file, native copy to clipboard.ts. Again, the naming is important. It's better you follow the same naming convention which I have followed, otherwise you will get lot of error. And here you can see they have created a TypeScript file. Again, I have copied everything from documentation. Only thing that has been changed is this file name and this method name. So basically we will pass some text from React Native side. That should be copied to the clipboard, and the implementation details will be on the native side. Next, what you have to do is you have to create a package.json file. The package.json file should not be inside your JS folder. So this is my package.json file. Again, copied everything from documentation. Only this file name has been changed. This has been changed. This has been changed, and this has been changed. Next, we have to create a pod spec file. Again, the pod spec should be sibling to package.json, and the naming is important. Again, copied everything from documentation. This name should be equal. This name should be changed according to what you have named. Next, in Android you have to create build.gradle and this folder structure. So I will go to Android. First, go to the main Android folder, go to build.gradle and add this line, Kotlin version this, and add this class path, because I want to use Kotlin, I don't want to work with Java. And inside app, go to build.gradle, apply plugin Kotlin Android, and then use this, add this, standard lib of Kotlin as well. Next, minimize this. Now go inside the Android folder of copy to clipboard. I have created build.gradle. Again, copied everything from documentation. Only thing that has been changed is this apply plugin and this Kotlin standard lib, as well as this package name has been changed, the namespace. And I have created src main java com rtn copy to clipboard, and you have to create this file, copy to clipboard package. So for now you can copy everything from over here. Only thing which you have to change is, for now, just do this, return null and return null here as well, because we need to first generate the code gen. Okay, later on we will modify this file. So keep return null in both the methods. We already done this. So now we have to do the code gen. Again, here they have used double dot because they have created this folder outside the React Native project, but ours is inside the React Native project. So what you have to do is, inside your app.tsx, sorry, not you have to open the terminal, and I have this, you have to run this command. So once you run this command, next you have to do cd dot dot and then run this command. Okay, you can find it over here as well, but there are few changes, like this should be your app project name, this should be your project name, and here also your project name, and this should be your folder name. On the third line they have not written any project name because their folder RTN calculator is outside the React Native project. Then this will generate the generated folder over here. So this generated folder. Next we have to do this, okay, the implementation details. So I will comment this again. So just create this RTN copy to clipboard.h file. Again I have copied everything from documentation, only thing that has been changed is this file name. Next create objective C++ file, and again copied everything from documentation, only the file name has been changed. And this is the only code which helps you to copy any kind of a text to clipboard. So this is the code, that's it. Again this has been copied from documentation, only thing has been changed is this file name. So that's it for iOS. Now for Android you have to again run this command. So open your terminal and run this command, again a single dot, not a double dot, and then cd to your Android folder and run this command. So this will generate code gen for Android as well. So you can find it inside node modules rtn copy to clipboard. So in their case this is rtn calculator, but in our case it will be rtn copy to clipboard. So for Android, now go to copy to clipboard package, and now instead of return null you can copy this code. Again copied from documentation, only thing changed is file name and converted Java to Kotlin code. And in copy to clipboard module, again everything copied from documentation, converted Java to Kotlin code, and the file name has been changed. And this is the implementation details for copying data to string to clipboard for Android. And here you can write whatever your app name is. This is important, so this should be your folder name, whatever you have defined over here. Once that is done, so yeah, you have to again run this command. Open your terminal, again run this command yarn add /rtn copy to clipboard. And for iOS you again have to run this command, because this will generate a pod of for your iOS project. You have to run this command. Next, to use it, all you have to do is go to app.tsx. You can import something like this rtn copy to clipboard, and I have created one touchable opacity button with a text of copy to clipboard, and I am just calling copy to clipboard and passing some data which needs to be copied. So yeah, just to be careful guys, not to for iOS, do not test this on iOS simulator, it will not work. I have faced lot of issues and wasted a lot of time on it. Check it on a real device and it will work for you. So I think the iOS simulator does not support copy to clipboard, or I don't know, maybe some bug on my on the iOS simulator which I am using, but it definitely works on real device. So yeah, thank you for watching. Bye.